1.
Create empty package. Game file cruiser. Paste this group.
Find that in the description.
And this instance. All, filter, add to package. Repeat with the second set of sim data too. On a site, grab a color. In Sims 4 Studio, select a sim data. Replace the number of line 5 and line 7. And line 11 if you wanna. Select other sim data. Replace first 3 numbers of line 24 to 29. Done! How colourful! Next!
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.